Welcome to the Just-in-Time course, where you will learn exactly what is involved in implementing just-in-time in your organization. In this course, you will learn about the major principles, elements, and tools that are needed to create the now famous just-in-time system. This course was designed as a solid foundational introduction for even the newest lean and just-in-time practitioners to see and identify each and every form of waste, while challenging experienced veterans with the activities they can use to help train and develop other team members. Another way to use this course is to root out forms of waste in your organization as well. You will not only learn to see waste, you will also be equipped with a general arsenal of lean and just-in-time solutions that will get you headed in the right direction. In addition to waste, we'll take a deep dive into the just-in-time system. The just-in-time approach was created to dramatically transform your organization by focusing on and eliminating waste right away. The just-in-time system asks users to change from the traditional approaches of batch manufacturing to a new perspective of understanding and knowing what your customers actually value and what they do not. This course will give you the foundational knowledge that will allow you to participate in just-in-time as well as understand the system. Because the course asks participants to complete activities throughout their learning experience, it not only educates participants, but has the potential to develop real returns for an organization. Together, we will travel through each of the critical parts of the just-in-time system. Since the just-in-time system can be applied to any industry, this course is perfect for any individual looking to enhance their professional skill set or organizations that want to begin learning and moving forward with continuous improvement and the just-in-time system. So, what are you waiting for? Look through the course description, watch the free previews, and click on the Enroll button right now, and let's get started with solutions that ignite your power today.